Welcome to part 2 of growing gourmet mushrooms. This is a setup that I have to grow gourmet mushrooms in my workshop using an 8x8 hydroponics tent. I'm just going to quickly go through what we're going to be reviewing in the coming videos, how I've set it up, how the air exchanges are automated, and what kind of computers I use, that kind of stuff. So this is an overview of my air exchange system. We have some fans and heat exchangers and computer up here and homemade humidifier. We'll go into all of these in detail in the coming videos. And a quick look at inside my tent. Here's the outtake. This draws out the CO2 and fresh air comes in through here. And if you look over to the left, you will see a sensor that records my relative humidity, CO2, and temperature environmentals. It sends them to the computer via USB connection here. And I can automate turning on the fans and turning on the humidifiers and turning on the heaters and that sort of thing in order to keep the environment within the tent optimal for growing mushrooms. Go into the heat exchanger that I got and why I use it, explains how they work, and zero in on my computer. This is the computer that I'm using. It's a USB hub that allows me to connect up a lot of USB devices to the computer. And to the right of that, we have a hard drive that records historical data. Once we get through all of this setup of my hardware, we will go into the actual software that runs my automation. And this is a package called Home Assistant. And I've customized it. Home Assistant is used normally to automate various parts of your home. If you want to turn lights on and lights off with a command, that kind of thing. And I've customized it for my mushrooms. And I will show you how I set this up and respond to the different environmental data coming in. And finally, we will get into how I record this and graph it, all the historical data. I can go back for years with this data that I've got saved to be able to compare it to what I'm doing currently and various other things. So that's it. We're going to go over each one of these bits in detail, and you can consume as much of these videos or as little as you like. And I'll see you again very shortly, I hope. See you soon.